Hello everybody, this is We Do It Learning class and I am Babaji. I am presenting you today how to format date in PHP and assign date to any text box. This normally many people ask on the blogs this question, and people who reply to them, they show a very enhanced methods for that which you normally cannot understand. All right, so we will start about it. And I am Babaji, and this course belongs to beginners and intermediate learners only. Okay, so let's start it. You can select any software program, any notepad or Dreamweaver to create your PHP page. I am using Dreamweaver. Okay, once you open the Dreamweaver, all you have to do is that click on a blank PHP page. Alright, after your page is open, all you have to do is write a PHP code. Okay, PHP code starts with the angle bracket and question mark and PHP. Press enter and close the tag. Closing tag is question mark and angle bracket also. Alright, if you want to give any kind of comments, all you have to do is just give the front slash twice and then you can type your comments there. Okay, like in this video we are typing how to format date in PHP. Alright, once you are done, press enter. Now you can start your code. There are two methods to do it. One is just mention the date function, call it in echo, or you can declare a variable. Alright, so here we are declaring the variable. To declare the variable, you need to press the dollar button. Alright, here if you want to declare the variable, type dollar and then give any name. I am using DT. Alright, after you assign a variable, you have to type is equal to sign, then you type date, DATE, and give the small bracket and close bracket and semicolon. Now you need to format it. Inside you give the commas and closing comma, then you type Y is for year, then dash, then type M is for month, then dash, and then type D. That's all. This is how you can assign a date format to your variable. Okay, this dates will display you in the format which I am mentioning in comments. First your year will come, then month will come, and then the date will come. In case if you want this opposite, other way around, you want year in the end, all you need to do is just type date in front and year in the last. Okay, this is here how I show you how to do it. Type date, bracket start, inverted commas, D dash Y and M. So now your date will come first and year will come last. Okay, after you have assigned the variable, now you need to display this. What you can do is you can display directly in a paragraph or in div. We are using div here. Okay, type div code, then type my date colon space and close the div tag and give a break tag to go to the new line. Alright, once this one is done, now you can open your browser that you can check your coding so far you have done, whether it's working fine or not. Alright, so you need to open a browser. Before going to the browser, you need to save this file. Okay, you can go to the file menu and click save and give any name with .php extension and save it. I am saving with the old page name, that's why it's giving the replacement option, but in your case it will not come. Alright, after you save the file, now you can go to your browser and see whether this coding is working fine. Before going to the browser, you can change the title of the web page. Okay, so you can give the title here the format date and save it. Alright, so it's done at this side. Now you can save this file and go to the browser. Once your browser is open, you need to go to localhost if you are using WAMP or XAMPP. Once you go to your localhost, you go to the directory which you have created inside and then go to the page that you have just created. Alright, so our system is working fine. You can see the title is format date and my date is coming there. Now what you need to do is to display the date in front. What you will do now, you will write a PHP one-liner code. So to do it, all you need to do is start a code, angle bracket, then question mark, then PHP, space, echo, space, and give the $sign. Once you type the $sign, you will see the variable on top of the page. It will come here automatically. Just select and enter. Alright, now give the semicolon to close the line and give the closing tag, question mark, angle bracket. Alright friends, so your code is done. You save it and go to your browser. Go to your browser, refresh it, and you will see in front of my date, your date is coming. That variable value is coming there. Now in case if you want to change it, you want the date first and year later, you go back to your code. No need to change anything in the down. Just go to the variable and in the date format, just change D to Y and Y to D. Save it and refresh. Alright, this is done. You can see the date is coming now in front, then the month and then the year. Same like this, if you want the year to come half or you want your month to come in the alphabets, so you need to go back to your code again. You go to M and change M small alphabet to capital alphabet. Save it. Now refresh your browser and you see the 10 changed to OCT. That is a short form of October. Okay. Same like this, if you don't want to display 2016, just want 16s, you go back to the code and capital alphabet Y change into small alphabet. Alright, save it, refresh, and here it goes. Now the second topic which we discuss, how to display this date format into a text box. Alright, go back to your coding. Go to the body section. press enter and start code of div, angle, div, close. Now type angle, input, space, type is equal to text. Alright, close the tag, then give the div code closing, then give the break clip to bring the another option into new line. Okay, here you can see the text box appears. Now you need to do is just want to display the value of date inside this text box. To do that, go back to your coding again. Just copy the one-liner code of PHP. Go in front of text, give space bar and select the value. Press enter and inside the inverted commas paste that line. Save it. Alright, now refresh your browser. Here you go. Now you can see your date is displaying into a text box. This is the topic that other programmers will show you in very long method, but this is just a one-liner code. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please share, comment and subscribe for my channel. Thank you and see you soon.